Yeah, in the middle of the street, stay no excuses. Remember Marcus body coding live work every day. Remember you see waiting, no excuses. Ready? First watch for yourself today. Combo. Cross 1 and tap 8. Combo. Let's see. See for yourself. Let's go. This is the move. Remember, no excuses. Let's do it together. Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go. On the street, on the grass, wherever you are. Let's do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. Open to the side. Step to the back. And cross. Now step front. Step to the front. Tap to the back. Step to the back. And tap. Now with the right. Open to the right. Step to the back and cross. Now step to the front. Tap to the back. Step and tap. Once again with the left. Open. Step. Cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Open. Step to the back and cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Looking good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3. With the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. A bit faster. Open. Step and cross. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the move. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. And since you're still with me, right? You there? You there? You there? Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see your beautiful face. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. But practicing, of course. With the left. Let's go. We open to the right. Open to the left. Open. Step and cross. Step, tap, step, tap. Yeah. With the right. Open. Open. Step to the back and cross. Step, tap, step, tap. One more time with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Connect the shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, with the left. 1, 2, 3. Now you can go also with the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. With the line. 1, 2, 3. So you can go front. And you can go also sideways. Yeah. Again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Connect the shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is the move. This is the move. This is the groove. Yeah. And if you're serious, and if you really want to get better and you want to learn these moves and do them without even thinking about them. Yeah, so if you want to do that, Means that you're the serious student that wants the serious results. So go to the full tutorial. Yeah, to the full tutorial. Today it was a combo. Cross 1 and tap 8. You can go and learn the full tutorial for each one of these moves. Cross 1 and tap 8. How can you do that? Check the link above to the site, below in the description. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yeah, and search for these moves. Cross 1 and tap 8. And practice each one of them separately. But what do you care? You have this video, right? You can practice here with me. Just use this video. Hit the replay button. See it again. Watch it again. Practice it today. Yeah. Go to today's party. Whatever party it might be. Yeah. Bachata, salsa, hip hop, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba, samba, semba, Zumba. Any style that you want. Because these are universal moves. You can use them in any kind of dance that you want. I'm serious. I'm serious, even though I'm doing funny faces. It doesn't mean I'm not serious. He has universal moves. And I remind you to do these moves today, no matter where you are. Today I'm in Cambodia for almost 3 weeks because they didn't let me in Thailand. But that's not an excuse, right? We always practice. We don't have any excuses. So do this move today. And the second reason to do it today is because tomorrow you have enough footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Yes, with enough footwork. So let's meet tomorrow. And have an amazing day. Till tomorrow.